I'm going to be walking you through a step-by-step process that will be making you $1,500 a day by just using a free bot. This method is available to you no matter where you are in the world. You don't need to pay for anything or invest in anything, so it's completely free of charge and free of risk. You also don't need any skills or experience. All you need is your device, an internet connection, and the instructions that I'm about to give you in this video, because I'm going to break everything down step by step for you. So be sure to pay close attention to every single money-making minute right up until the end, especially to the bonus tips and recommendations that I'll be dropping along the way. If you like the sound of today's video, be sure to smash the like and subscribe buttons, and let's get right into it. I'm going to start off with a huge recommendation that will unlock your path to financial freedom using a done-for-you strategy. Just click the first link in the description box down below and you can get access to a done-for-you software that helps you go from $0 to $500 a day as a complete beginner. But please keep in mind that this is only available for the first 25 people who click the first link in the description and sign up. So if it's still available, you can get access to a done-for-you system and see the best way to make money online. Anyway, let's get back to the tutorial. So first things first, you need to head on over to a platform called SEO Clerks at SEOclerks.com. You can see a lot of people selling different services, and this is kind of like a freelancing platform similar to Fiverr and Upwork. But since not a lot of people know about SEO Clerks, the competition is pretty low, and yet the demand for services is extremely high. So you can get sales a lot easier than if you sell on Fiverr or Upwork. Now bear with me because this is going to be an extremely easy and simple strategy, and you don't necessarily need any particular skills or experience because you're not going to be completing any of these services whatsoever. But you can see that if you go through the marketplace over here, people are selling all sorts of different services from designs, graphics and logos, voiceovers, ebooks, forum posts, and much more. But what we want to be focusing on is mostly article writing and rewriting and blog posts. Because if you click on article writing, you can see these people selling their services for, let's say, $5, $15, $6, which may not seem like a lot. For example, this person is selling a 500-word article for $6. He actually got over 500 pieces of feedback, and you know, not every single person will leave feedback. And a lot of people may buy time and time again and never actually leave feedback. So he probably got a lot more than 531 sales. But if you do the math, just from this one single service alone, he made over $3,186 or something like that. It's actually insane that he actually made thousands of dollars from this service. Now don't worry, you won't have to write anything. I just wanted to show you that people are making a decent amount of money by doing this. And so now you can just click on the join button over here and you can create an account by choosing a username, putting in your email, creating a password, and then just pressing continue, and voila! You have an account and SEO Clerks ready to sell a service over here. But then what you can simply do is leverage this bot right over here called AnyWord. This is an AI bot, which is basically going to do a lot of different things for you. And one of them is writing an entire blog post and article with just a couple of clicks of a button. So let me show you how that works. If you click on Start for Free or enter email address and then click on Start for Free, you can sign into your account. And then once you've signed into your account, here on the left-hand side, you have the blog wizard. And you can just start a new project. And once you start a new project, you can tell them what the blog post should be about. So basically, your client will pay you a certain amount of money to write a blog post for them. And let's say they want their blog post to be about how to make money online. You can select the industry to be, let's say, business and finance. You just click on Next, and they basically come up with a title for you. So they write an entire title, you select which one you like. I'm going to go with the first one because it has the highest score, and then I'm going to click on 10 ways to make money online. That's going to be the title of this blog post. Now we're going to generate an outline like this, and basically write these articles quite professionally, so it's not like some rubbish article writer that's going to come up with low quality text. This is actually extremely high quality. We have different sections here, so I'm going to click on Next, and even if you actually go through and read this, this is an extremely valuable article. It sounds like a real human being is actually writing this, even though it's a bot. So we have the entire paragraph here. I'm going to continue continue with that one. And now we'll continue to the editor, where you can continue generating different sections. So it will generate section number 1 by pressing the generate button. Then you'll generate section number 2 by pressing the next button over here. And then you can also, by the way, select the text length if you need a longer article. So if someone is paying you more for a longer article, then instead of a minimum medium text length, you can select a longer text length, and then it's basically going to add more text. So you can charge even more money. As of right now, our article is around 300 words long. So you can see 376 words long so far, and we didn't even generate sections 5, 6, 7, 8, and so on. So I'm going to continue doing that until we reach at least 500 words. And so I'm about to generate the final section number, and let's see now. Our article is around 725 words long. So now you can copy this entire blog post, this entire article, and you can just go back and deliver it to SEO clerks. You can charge like $8, $10 for this article, and all you're really doing is just pressing buttons. And this entire process literally takes less than 3 minutes because this AI bot does all the work for you. And SEO Clerks is just one of the platforms where we can sell these services. You can also use platforms like People Per Hour. And then if you type in blog post over here, you can also see that people are making even more money. For example, this person is selling their service for $15 for 500 words, and they've gotten over 2,700 reviews. So they made tens of thousands of dollars by selling this one particular service on People Per Hour. And the competition on People Per Hour is also a lot lower than on Fiverr or Upwork. So you can just sign up as a freelancer right over here for completely free. And you can actually list your services on all sorts of platforms to maximize your results with this strategy. Now, all of that is great, but in order to keep on making money with this AI bot, you obviously would need to trade your time for money, which I personally don't like doing. I don't like spending my entire day in front of a computer just to make some money. But another cool way to make money online is by actually creating a passive income stream online by setting up different faceless YouTube automation channels that you can modify in many different ways. Here's an example of a faceless YouTube channel where you don't even have to record anything with a camera, and this channel is making about $500 every day. And the best part is that the videos that you publish on these faceless YouTube automation channels could be making you money for the next couple of years because they're always going to stay on your channel. So you can just keep on making money from the videos that you might have made years ago, which is as passive as you can get. You just need to put in the little initial work to set up the channel and make the videos, which is totally worth it if you set it up correctly. So I would definitely recommend checking out how to start up and monetize faceless YouTube automation channels. And luckily for you, we have that covered on our channel. So be sure to check those videos out. And also be sure to subscribe to the channel with notifications turned on so that you can always be the first to know when we've uploaded a brand new money-making strategy that could unlock financial freedom for you. Thank you so much for watching today, and I'll see you next time.